This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Billy Dahl. Bring your paintbrush and imagination. This fixer-upper, located just 2 doors from the community boat ramp, with canal access to the Harris chain of lakes, needs your TLC to make it your Canal Front paradise. The 2-bedroom, 2-bath home has been expanded to include a great room as well as an enclosed air-conditioned Florida room. The master suite to the front of the home has a sizable bedroom, large closets and a twin lavatory bath with shower and tub. The home not only has a formal dining area but a dinette off the kitchen, which contains real wood cabinets, granite countertops, and several upgraded stainless appliances. The double car carport, which provides plenty of room for guests and golf cart parking, is connected to the 10 by 12 utility/storage room. Enjoy the ongoing social activities the Fox Run community has to offer with low monthly HOA fees, all of which provide you with all clubhouse activities, and the use of 2 pools. Here is your opportunity to bring the finishing touches you want to make this home your special place. For more information, review the details below.